So how do you block a number on an Android phone? So let me talk about it and explain how you could approach this and make that work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so whenever I open up my phone app on the device, I can go to the three dots for more options. And when I click on the settings right here, you can see the block numbers at the top. So I can as well see some other things like caller ID and a spam protection, which would kind of filter out and block the spam calls. But if I just click on the block numbers at the top, I can enable blocking calls from unknown numbers, which is interesting in and of itself. So nobody that isn't like part of your contacts can really reach you, but you can as well add and type in your number below, or someone else's obviously, which you want to block on your device. So you can just go in here, type in the number, perhaps even type in the dial code or whatever belongs to it, and then when it gets saved, it's going to be blocked on your device. So that is the part that you need to approach, or the thing that you need to do. Outside of that, you can as well tap on the recents, and it's going to like move you over into the recent call. So if somebody's been calling you, you can go there and pick that particular number to be blocked, or choose it from messages or contacts. And that's how you can end up with a blocking or a blocked numbers list on your Android phone. I really hope that I was able to explain how you could approach this and how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you will never miss anything important.